The top story on India Today television continues to be on the NEET. Sources meeting on the government strategy to counter the opposition on the NEET issue. Sources have said a meeting of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Information Broadcasting and Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya. The meeting that was held at the residence of BJP President JP Nadda, and that there can be a discussion on the strategy and preparations or the questions raised by the opposition parties, specifically on the NEET. This important meeting regarding the preparations will be before the special session of the Parliament. Remember, because it's very likely that when the session convenes from today here on, that there will be a massive political showdown expected. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, good morning. So what do you think is possibly the Education Minister's strategy to ensure that he has some strategy in place already with regard to the starting of the session about NEET?
And the government is of the view that it is going to give a good reply to the questions those will be put forth by the opposition, because government has already made it very clear that the kind of actions those were being asked those by the protesters and the guardians of the students, these issues have already been fulfilled. So late last night there was a meeting which took place at the residence of BJP, the National President JP Nadda and Health Minister. At this residence, the ministers like Ashwini Vaishnav, Dharmendra Pradhan, BJP's IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya, they all were present, and they, according to sources, discussed about the government strategy as to how to counter the pressure which is going to be mounted by opposition. Remember that Rahul Gandhi and other leaders of opposition parties, they have been saying that they are going to raise this issue in Parliament. And they will be seeking answers from the government. So on that particular front, the discussions would have taken place. The meeting went on for more than 2 hours, and discussion on not only Parliament but also how to move ahead as far as this entire controversy is concerned. That was reportedly discussed. Because JP Nadda is not only the BJP's national president, he is also the health minister. So the discussions could have taken place on the cancellation of exams those are conducted by NTA, and also the NEET PG exams those were also cancelled. But we'll have to see how the government is going to counter to the points those will be raised by the opposition as the Parliament session begins from today.
Well, clearly the opposition will likely counter the government on this. What will be the strategy? We'll be tracking closely on that as well. NEET remains a big story. Thank you very much. Piyush will be updating further on this. So there is the political showdown, and then there is the probe that is on as well in the NEET examination. Remember, these are medical aspirants, future medical professionals of the country and the world. The probe has intensified in the NEET exam controversy. CBI has taken over. The Central Bureau of Investigation has registered a criminal case in connection with the allegations of irregularities on the NEET UG 2024. Agency will take over all the FIRs that have been registered in several states. There's Bihar, Gujarat, among other states where these complaints and FIRs have been registered. The probe agency will also examine the role of public servants in the case. Meanwhile, the government continues to firefight as opposition demands resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. He has taken moral responsibility over the lapses. The government sources, meanwhile, have told India Today television that it is the coaching centres that fanned this controversy, and that by provoking students, adding that paper leaks are a localized issue. Grace marks are given by NTA to over 1,500 aspirants, and that was unnecessary.
Why NEET? That is our question, and we oppose NEET. Whether they investigate into the mistakes or fraud happened now or not. Instead of investigating this, getting suggestion and doing something, they can abolish NEET. That will be the best solution for this problem.
813 out of 1,563 NEET UG aspirants took a retest across 6 exam centres. After outrage over grace marks, inflated scores and fears of paper leak, the retest was ordered by the National Testing Agency.
The controversial NEET exam is reconducted, and you can see the list here mentioning the roll numbers for 2 students who are coming here to give exams, and the time is from 11 a.m. to 1:30, in which they can enter the examination hall, and right now you can see the security as well. The school persons or the teachers or the NTA seems to be more precautionary and careful regarding the NEET exam that's been reconducted here.
But the great Indian exam mess is getting messier. While undergraduate students appeared for a re-exam, the entrance test for NEET postgraduates has been postponed. No new dates have been announced for the exam yet.
सुबह से क्या कोई स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर आया था?
2-4 आदमी आया था तो पूछा था एग्जाम के लिए, तो हम लोग तो नोटिस बोर्ड टंगा दिया है, तो बोल दिया है हम लोग जो पोस्टपोन हो गया है।
एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हुआ है तो 15-20 दिन बाद वो कह रहे हैं कि पढ़ाई करो, डेट आएगी तब तक पढ़ाई करो।
The National Board of Examination says that the delay is to access the robustness of exam process post the NEET UG and UGC NET fiasco. Meanwhile, the centre has shunted out National Testing Agency Chief Subodh Kumar Singh and appointed retired bureaucrat Pradeep Kharola in his place. Even as the government is trying to firefight, the opposition is breathing fire.
ये सरकार एग्जाम नहीं करा पा रही है। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है। जो शिक्षा मंत्री आज से 4 दिन पहले एनटीए को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, अब एनटीए के डायरेक्टर जनरल जो एग्जाम्स के हैं उनको हटा रहे हैं। ये क्या लीपापोती चल रही है?
The government has taken proactive steps to protect the interests of the students and to protect the integrity of the examinations conducted by NTA. We now have a new Director General to head the National Testing Agency. The government has also formed a high-level committee, and they will provide the recommendations to ensure that these examinations are conducted fairly, transparently, and they have credibility.
The exam mess needs not just a clean-up but an overhaul. After all, the future of lakhs of students is at stake. Bureau Report, India Today.